Hello beautiful people, welcome to Glory Homemaker. How are you doing today? In today's recipe, we'll be making Suya jollof rice. And in my pot, I'll add in rice. I want to parboil this rice. This is long grain rice. You can use the short grain, whichever rice available to you. And I'll add in water to top it. And as soon as it shows the first sign of boiling, I'll take it off from the heat, dilute it with cold water and wash it off. It's as good as washing it with just hot water. For this particular rice, I like boiling it and we'll wash it till the water runs clear. You can wash yours with just cold water or hot water, whichever method you prefer, that's still fine. And let's go prep all the other ingredients we'll be using. This is the spring onion. We're going to cut this into long strips and we'll set it aside. We have the shorter ones which I will use in the later part of the video. And we have the bell peppers. We're going to cut all these vegetables into strips and use whatever vegetable appeals to you, but I like bell peppers a lot. And I'll be using the green, the red, and the yellow bell peppers. And I have the carrot here also. I've washed the carrot and scraped off the back, and we'll cut this into tiny strips. We'll also set this aside. I'll also add in some peppers to make it extra spicy. You might not have to do this if you don't want to. And in my pan on heat, I'll add in vegetable oil. And while the oil gets hot enough, I'll add in the onions and some of the spring onions. These both will give you amazing flavors. We're going to fry this for about a minute. And I'll bring in the peppers. We'll also fry this for another minute. And I'll bring in the tomatoes, the tomato puree. This will add colors to this Suya jollof rice. We're going to fry this for about 3 minutes to get the tangy taste out of the tomato paste. And here it is after 3 minutes. The more you fry it, the more you intensify the flavors. And here comes our suya. This is like beef kebabs. This is prepared majorly by people from the northern part of Nigeria and mostly sold at night. But now you can also buy it any time of the day. And I'll be adding this. This meat is well seasoned. You can eat it as it is. So imagine the flavors it's going to add to this suya jollof rice. And I'll bring in Yaji. Yaji is a spice sold alongside this suya. It's a mixture of pepper, granite, and other spices. And after 5 minutes, I'll add in 2 beef seasoning cubes, break it up, and we'll stir this. Now add in curry powder and thyme leaves. We are going to mix all this together. We are mixing it as quickly as possible so that it doesn't dry on one side. Add in salt. Now mix it in also. And here comes our parboiled rice. We'll add it in. And we'll mix it with this sauce, the suya sauce. Turn it properly for all the ingredients to combine properly. And I have some beef stock, and I'll add it into the pot and top it with water. and we are going to stir this together. The water is at the same level with the rice so that this doesn't cook soggy. And we'll mix this together, and this is the best time to check for your salt and seasoning. I always say that your seasoning and salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, you add in little per time and adjust as you cook along. And we are going to cover this and cook it on medium heat till the water dries. That's about 10 minutes, and this 10 minutes later, please keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. We are going to pick some grains of rice and pinch it to make sure that it has cooked tender enough. If you want yours to cook more tender, you can add in more water, and you can see there is no water left in this pot. And I'll bring in all my veggies, the carrots, the spring onions, and the bell peppers. I like bell peppers a lot. They are full of antioxidants, they are full of flavors and nice colors. We're going to mix all this together to combine properly. At this point, we will not be covering this pot again. We'll use the heat already generated in the pot to cook these veggies because I like them very, very crunchy. At Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And I'll put up the heat and just mix all this together for extra 2 minutes before serving it. If you've watched till this point, please like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel to get amazing content like this. This is Christmas season and this should be on your bucket list. Make it and let me know how it came out for you. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all. You all make my day worthwhile. God bless you so much. And here is our rice ready. What will you be taking with this? What do you think about this recipe? Have you tried it before or will you be trying it? We are going to serve now. This is so delicious, it's spicy, and it's so tasty. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, both the new subscribers and the ones that have subscribed before. Thank you for appreciating my efforts and my work. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much and God bless you. And if you've not subscribed, this is a good opportunity to do that. Please subscribe to get amazing content like this. Please also like and share my videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.